Hi everyone and welcome back to the Organized Notebook. Today we wanted to show you how to make a CV or resume on Notion and also how you can share it online or export it as a PDF. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open an empty Notion page and put your name. Then choose empty page with icon. And for this example, we're going to be using a profile picture for the icon slot. So all you have to do is click the icon, click custom, and then put your own picture. And we'll be using a placeholder. So next, we recommend you to use small text full width for the Notion page so you can fit more information, which is great for CVs and resumes. Now, when we design this CV and resume, we will be using two columns style. So on the left side, we're going to have shorter information like contacts, skills, and languages. And then on the right side, we will be putting bigger content like profile, work experience, education, references. So for that, you'll need to do /column and click two columns. So on this side, we'll be putting contact, and on this side, we'll start with a profile. So you can just type these in as placeholders so you don't lose the columns. And then here, we will be making this into a heading 1. So it's very clear and you can see it. And then under here, you can put your contact information. So you can put email, phone, address, website. And obviously you can customize this as you need. And now we can go ahead and drag the column so we can see it better, like this. So underneath contact, we're going to want to put your skills. So for this, it's pretty easy if you just highlight it all and then copy it by Command Control C and then pasting it Command Control V. And then now you see that the copy text is going all the way across the page, which means that it's not in this column. So you want to click the 6 dots on the left side and drag it underneath the contact. And now let's rename this skills, and then we will start filling this in. So skill 1, and then under skill 1 you would add the proficiency. And for this, let's put bold here and italic here. So now you want to duplicate this 2 times so you can add 3 skills total. So for that, you can highlight it, copy it, and paste. And paste. And we can renumber them. Great, so the next thing is to add languages. So it's going to look similar to skills, so we can just highlight this, like this, and again, paste it. And instead of skills, we type languages, and we can put language 1 and bold it, language 2, bold it, and language 3. Great. And now let's work on the right hand side. So for profile, we recommend a callout box so that we can add some variety to the page. So for that, type /callout. And then you can choose an icon for your callout box. So we recommend something that shows it's sort of an info about yourself. So this one seems to work very well. And we can choose this one. And let's type profile. And bold it. And then to add a space underneath in a callout box, you have to press Shift and then return. And here we'll be adding in placeholder text, but obviously you can put your own profile information or a short intro about yourself. Like this. And make it straight. So underneath the profile, we're going to start adding work experience. And let's use heading 1, just like the left side. And press enter. And here you'll want to add your position, and then the company, location, and dates. So position needs to stick out more, so let's make it into heading 3. And this information will look better in italics. And then under here, you can put bullet points about what this position entailed. So you can do dash and then space, and it will automatically make a bullet point. And again, we'll just put some placeholders here. And you can describe your position. So if you have multiple positions in the past, now you can just highlight this and copy. After work experience, it's a good idea to put your education. So let's put that under work experience. Education. And this one should be heading 1. And here it's going to look kind of similar to work experience, so we can actually just copy part of this and put it under here. And instead of position, we'll rename it degree/certification. And instead of company, we'll put school/organization. And make sure that it is italic. And you can put some description below. So now let's copy this another time in case you have more degrees and certifications. And then finally, after education, let's put some references. And again, to add some variety to the page, we recommend adding columns. So for this, let's do /column and add 3 columns. And we'll have reference 1, reference 2, reference 3. And actually on top of that, we need to add a heading for the references. So let's add references and make this into heading 1 again. Like so. And now let's bold each reference title. And under the reference, it's a good idea to put the position and the contact information. And position we can italicize, so we have a similar style, and then you can copy this and paste it to each reference. So now you have 3 references, you have your education, and you have your work experience. The other thing you can add on the left side actually is web links. So if you have media galleries, portfolios you want to display, you can do that by adding links on the left side. So let's put media and links. And this one we can turn into heading 1. And under that, we'll be putting web links. So let's do /web link or web bookmark. And you can add relevant links here. And we can add multiple if you'd like. So now our resume and CV looks quite good. And we can actually even add a cover photo. And we have many cover photos in our shop. And in this case, we'll be adding a cover photo that's part of our Notion Color cover photo set, which we will link in the description. And let's go with the modern gray one and reposition it. And save position. So this is the basics of making a resume and CV in Notion. So the next thing we want to show you is how to publish your CV and resume to the web. So basically it works like an online resume or CV, similar to a website. So all you have to do is click the share button on the top right corner, and then go to publish and then publish to web. And this is available even if you have a free Notion plan. And you can choose different options like when the link expires, allow editing, allow comments, allow duplicate as template, and search engine indexing if you're on the Plus plan. And this is also useful if you need feedback on your resume or CV. So if you turn these on and share the link, someone could just go in and edit and add comments and things like that. So let's test this out by copying the web link here and then going to our browser. And we should see our resume. So as you can see, this works very well as an online even web page. So we highly recommend using this, so it's very easy to share with potential employers and also to edit and revise your CV on Notion. So the next thing we'd like to show you is how to export your resume and CV into a PDF format. And for this, we recommend removing cover photos and icons so it looks a bit better. So let's go ahead and remove the cover photo and remove the icon. And if you really wanted to still add a picture, it could be possible if you put it in the main body of the template, but you'll have to experiment with this. So the safest bet is not to have many things on the page if you want to export it. So you want to go to the three dots on the right hand side and then go to export. And then for this, you want to put something like 70 for the scale percent and then hit the export button. And now you should see it in your downloads here, like this. So it's quite clean in this way. And nothing got too distorted. So the media and links look a bit odd, but if you fix those and you actually put real links, it should work. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to get the free version of this template already made, we'll leave the link in the description below. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, and we hope to see you in the next one.